18th birthday, Kalim! Mag-iingat ka palagi!
God bless!
Sana matupad lahat ng pangarap mo. We love you!
Happy 18th birthday, Kalim! We miss you so much, Kalim. Miss ko na yung gala natin with Ate Ella and Ate Dalen. Pag uwi mo, gagala ulit tayo. Marami tayong place na pupuntahan. Ingat kayo palagi and God bless! Enjoy your day! Happy birthday ulit!
I love you. Mama.
Happy 18th birthday, Kalim. May all your wishes and dreams come true and always find courage to pursue them. I wish all the best on you and God bless. See you soon.
Happy 18th birthday, Kalim! Welcome to new chapter of your life. Continue to follow your dreams and may God bless you with good health, happy life, and blessed life. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kalim! We just want to bring you a happy 18th birthday. Parang kailan lang, no? Ang babata niyo pa ni Rana, napaka-chikiting niyo pa. Ngayon, 18 years old na kayo. So, we wish you all the best sa career. And alam naman namin you're a very good daughter. And keep it up lang. Isa kami sa magiging napakasaya pag nalaman namin na natapos nyo ni Ate Rana parehas yung goals nyo sa buhay. And keep on praying, huwag makakalimot tumawag sa Panginoon. And always listen to your parents. Yun lang. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kalim! So sa wakas, you're in your legality na at starting pa lang ng adulthood mo. So kahit hindi na tayo nagkita ng matagalan, sana din soon enough magkita din tayo ulit. So I'm always wishing for you to have good health and sana naman ma-achieve mo din yung mga dreams mo, mga goals mo, and always wishing you the best. Happy birthday!
Lola Nora!
Happy birthday, Kalim! Kalim! Happy birthday! Wala mo na?
Happy birthday, Ate Kalim! We miss you, Team Valle 1.
Oh, we wish you Timbali.
Ang wish namin sa'yo, katulad ng mga wish nila unang-una, sana matapos mo yung pag-aaral mo, kung ano yung gusto mong maging career, makasettle ka ng maayos, magkaroon ka ng mga kaibigan, yung mga mababait na kaibigan dyan, since lahat ng mga friends mo halos naiwan mo sa Saudi tsaka sa Philippines. Sana din always have good health kayong pamilya, si mama mo, si papa mo, si Kuya Lance, at saka yung kanyang baby, yung kanyang wife. And enjoy mo yung celebration dyan. Sana nandiyan kami, kaso walang flight kasi ng direct eh. But we miss you, we will be there in spirit. To follow na lang yung cake pag nakita tayo.
Kung nandiyan kami, for sure si Tita Ron nagagawa ng birthday
may utang
cake
ako
mo.
na cake sa'yo. Happy birthday! We love you!
Happy birthday! Ingat kayo dyan lagi.
Bye! Miss you, Team Valle!
See you soon!
See you soon! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Ate Kalim!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Ate?
Ate Rana.
Ate Kalim!
Ate Kalim!
Kalim.
Happy
Kalim.
Kalim!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kalim!
Happy birthday, Kalim!
Hello, Kalim. Happy birthday, anak. Dalaga ka na, 18 ka na, so may boyfriend ka na. Happy birthday!
Hi, Kalim. Happy birthday. So, happy 18th birthday sa'yo. More blessings to come and stay pretty and sexy like Ninang. I love you.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Kalim. We miss you. God bless you. God bless you.
Hi, Kalim, happy 18th birthday. Ang bilis ng panahon, parang kailan lang dati mga bata pa tayo, naglalaro lang tayo. And nagsaswimming tayo sa Dalar pag uuwi kayo kung nare-remember mo. Pero ngayon, 18 ka na. Enjoy lang sa school mo dyan. And sana magkaroon ka ng madaming friends. And enjoy lang. Mabilis na lang yan. Baka pagpikit mo, pagmulat mo, college ka na. See you soon! Sana magkaroon tayo ng madaming bonding pag uwi mo dito sa Pilipinas. Mag-enjoy ka lang dyan. And ingat kayo dyan, Dada and Tita Grace. Happy 18th birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Kalim. God bless.
I wish you a happy birthday, Ate Kalim. God bless you.
God bless you.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Kalim. Enjoy your new journey in Canada. May you have new friends. We miss you. Bye!
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Kalim. God bless you. I miss you.
Hi Kalim! Happy 18th birthday!
Happy 18th birthday!
Enzo, greet Ate Kalim! Happy?
Birthday.
Happy birthday! 18 ka na, legal age, pwede na mag-boyfriend. Joke lang, Kuya Tutoy. Ayun. Wish namin, sana
Matupad lahat ng wish mo.
at saka, maging healthy. Tapos, ayun nga, legal age na, pwede ka nang mag-decide on your own. Pero, syempre, andyan pa rin sila mami at daddy mo para tawag nito, makapag-consult ka sa kanila ng mga decisions. At saka kami din, mga relatives mo, pwede ka sa amin lumapit. Hey, Enzo! Pwede din. Ayun, sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Say happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Bye-bye! Ingat!
Hi Ate Kalim! Happy 18th birthday! Welcome to adulthood! Huwag mo masyadong mabilisin. Dahan-dahan lang. Hindi ibig sabihin na adult na is pwede na lahat. So, alamin mo pa rin kung ano yung mga responsibility mo. Always makikinig sa advice ni Mama and Papa and sa mga titos and titas. Pag meron kang problem, huwag kang mahihiya magsabi sa amin, sa lahat ng mga kakilala mo. So, we're here to guide you and help you. Again, happy birthday, Ate Kalim! Happy birthday!
Happy 18th birthday, Kalim! As you reach adulthood, sana manatili kang mapagkumbaba,
Masayahin,
Madasalin,
matapang,
matatag,
at masikap.
we love you!
Welcome to Barangay Pinyahan!
Hello, Kalim. Si Mama ito. Happy 18th birthday.
Hello. Kalim. Happy birthday. More birthday to come. 18 years old ka na, Kalim. Ano bang plano sa buhay? Mag-aral, sumunod pa rin sa magulang, maging mabuting bata. Happy birthday! Huwag mong kalimutan ang magdasal. Maraming salamat at dumating ka sa kanyang edad. Happy birthday! More birthday to come. Happy birthday!
birthday, Ma'am Valle!
Happy birthday, Kaylin!
Happy birthday, Kaylin! Mag-enjoy ka maigi dyan, ha? Hindi ka namin namimiss. Actually, hindi ka namin namiss talaga. Goodbye!
Happy birthday, Kaylin. Hope you're safe out there.
Hi, Kaylin. Happy birthday. 18 ka na. God bless and good luck on your journey sa college. And just know na I'm always here for you. And you can call me anytime. And kahit like magkaiba, magkalayo tayo, you know? And like, yeah, let's go to Chilla.
Happy birthday, Caleb! Happy birthday! Sana mag-ingat ka dyan sa Canada, land of the maple syrup. Happy birthday. God bless. Sana you enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Kaylin. I miss you. Bye-bye.
2, 1. Happy birthday, Madam!
Happy birthday, Madam!
Happy 18th!
Thank you so much for being one of our close friends. And thank you so much for everything, girl. We love you and we miss you, girly pops.
Happy 18th, Madam! And sana hindi ka na magka-issue dyan sa Canada. And see you when I see you, girly pops. Love y'all! Bye!
Love y'all!
Happy 18th! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Bella!
Ito yung outro. Ito yung
Hi Kaylin, since birthday mo, ayun, nahabaan ko na to para sa'yo kahit wala akong script na inihanda. Una sa lahat, happy birthday and happy date of birth. Ayun lang, parang secondly, ayun, thank you for firstly not breaking the contact. Kahit malayo tayo sa isa't isa, kahit 6 hours yung pagitan natin. Tama ba? 6 hours? Parang ganon. 6 hours. You're always making a way kung let's say, kapag nagko-call tayo and kapag nag-chat tayo and all. Tapos, pangalawa, I'm so thankful na lagi ka pa rin nandyan, especially when I need someone, and especially na kailangan ko din minsan tumawa. Syempre, sinisendan din kita ng ng mga memes, mga chika doon, chika dito. Tas pangatlo, sorry sa streaks. Sorry sa streaks. Medyo hindi ko na napansin kasi girl, gumagawa ako ng research noon. Tapos biglang nag-end yung streak. Sorry. Babawi ako sa'yo. Wala lang. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo is good health, more birthdays to come. And ayun na nga, I'm very thankful din na you're always reaching out to me. You're always, sa amin, hindi lang sa akin, sa amin din, sila Aya, sila Av. And you're always reaching out to us and hindi mo kami nakakalimutan. Tapos, I'm very thankful din na nag-open up ka sa amin, sa akin. And saka, Gika lang lahat. Sa lahat ng ginagawa namin, Gina Gika ang pakinggan kami. Yung mga runs namin sa GC, ni Aya, saka ni Av. Lalo na sila. Ayun lang. And, ayun, more birthdays to come. And, ayun na nga, no, kahit, alam ko mahirap mag-adjust dyan, lalo na bago kayo. Mahirap humanap, let's say, ng kaibigan dyan. Syempre, since, syempre, sa una-una, wala naman kayong kilala dyan that much, nila tita, saka ni tito. No, know that God has always a plan for you, and God will always provide. Ayun lang, more birthdays to come. Siguro nakailang more birthdays to come na ako sa message na to, no? Hindi ko na nabibila. More birthdays to come. Tapos, ayun, good health. 18 ka na! Girl, alam mo, ikaw na lang yung hintay namin magligal sa ating apat. Okay, so, lahat na tayo legal. Ayun, so, balik ka na dito kasi need nating magchika, need nating gumala, and need na nating uminom. Joke lang. Hello po, tita. Hello po, dito.
Happy birthday po kay Kaylim! Ayun lang, lagi kayo mag-iingat dyan. Know that I always miss you and I always love you. Bye-bye! Birthday na ni Kaylim. Birthday na ni Kaylim.
Happy 18th birthday, Tata Kalim!
We love you!
See you soon!